I'm not coveting your lens cap. It's okay.
Cap envy?
Yeah. Light one, take one. And action!
Do those actually work?
What happened?
Do the trim pieces actually work?
We're gonna find out.
Yeah, it's trim with quotes.
Want to go backwards for some reason.
Mine does that too. That's why
They might just be cosmetic trim pieces. Which would be evil trim pieces. Evil, I tell you.
Ah.
We need like a field.
yeah.
Hey, funny that you should say that. There's one right down the street.
Trim pieces do work.
They do? Oh. I keep watching the helicopter and I'm not falling with the camera.
This might be a process.
Yeah. Well, it kind of takes a little bit.
They have the same flight characteristics as the micros, but they're bigger. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh shit.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Okay,
Tree trimming.
right.
That was awesome. Oh my god, that was so cool. That was huge.
Yeah. It's aluminium.
Car. Where are we going? We don't need cars.
Oh, you're brave.
Car Street.
Were you higher or were you about the same?
I want to take it in the street, but I can't really do it with Jan up there.
Okay, yeah, you can. Just fly
We're
over
going to
me.
run into each other.
Just fly over me.
That would be cool.
No, it would not. I know it makes good for good TV, but this isn't Hell's Kitchen, right?
Whoa. Well, that was not cool.
That was not cool.